Yeah, you can wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Fetulous Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to be back in front of the camera. Although I was just gone for just a few days. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone that went on my Instagram and saw my posting that I was in the hospital, and I really appreciate all the prayers and well wishes that you guys said to me over there. And also I put also on YouTube. Yeah, I did a post on YouTube too, letting everyone know who doesn't follow me on Instagram that I wasn't doing well and I was in the hospital. So I'd like to thank everyone I said for the prayers and the well wishes. I really appreciate you guys more than you know. But I'm back out now and I'm doing good with medication and stuff like that. And like I told you, my sickness, life throws me a lemon, I make lemonade. I make the best of every bad situation. No matter what it is, I make the best of it. I will not let it get me down, and you should do the same. You have your situation, don't let your situation have you. That's my attitude, it will forever will be. And I think that's a good attitude for you to have too. Yeah, so I'm back. And I'm not going to do too much. I have been resting. Don't think I'm not. I am resting. I'm taking my time. And I love my passion, which is DIY. And here, yes, my passion is DIY here, like you guys know. So I am doing a bit of both. I'm taking my time, not rushing, not doing too much. I do a bit, I rest, I do a bit, I rest. But that's what makes me happy, so I gotta do them, you guys. I have to do them, because that's what I like to do. Yeah, so if you like this hair that I have in, I'm gonna leave a link below, so you guys can go out and check out the review that I did on this hair. And I would really appreciate it if you would support me on my hair review videos, because hair is my passion too. Like I tell you, just like DIYs. And I would really appreciate it if you show me some more support within my hair review videos. I like hair, I like DIYs. So sometimes I switch up my hair. If I'm going out in one day, I might wear 3 different units in one day. Wear something in the morning, come back, change my wig. Wear something in the afternoon. If I'm going out in the evening, I put another unit as well. That's why I get a lot of hair, because I like switching out my hair. And also I have my daughter, so I share my units with them also. Yeah, but I love hair, I love DIYs. Like I said, what makes you happy, that's what you're to do, because you matter most of all. So whatever makes you happy, that's the passion that you follow and you do. Yeah, so I'm coming on with another Dollar Tree DIY for you guys. Something nice, simple, and plain. Nice because spring is coming. And I hope you guys like it. So let's get into the items that I have for today's DIY. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, here's the items we'll be using for today's DIY, and everything will be listed down below the video in the description box. All you have to do is scroll down, click on the show more, and it opens up the box and you can see everything that I have down there, so you guys can find out where I got everything from and the links and get some for yourself. Alright everyone, let's get into today's DIY. Okay, we have our frame here. I took out the mirrors, and these little tabs on the back, I'll be taking them off. They're easy to come out, just be careful because they are sharp. And here we are, we have some out. Now we are going to paint it with a white acrylic paint just around the frame, and I'll be just using 1 coat of this paint. We're using 6 frames altogether, so only take the tabs out of 4 of the frames, because 2 of the mirrors, we still need to add the mirrors back in, so don't take the tabs out of 2 of the mirrors, just 4 of them. Now our frames are dry, so we're just going to start to attach them with some hot glue. And I'll be attaching them 2 at a time. And then we're going to flip it over and add some popsicle sticks to help reinforce and keep the frame firm. And now it's time to join all our pieces together. I have them together with the popsicle sticks, and then now we're just going to join the frames together. And again, we're just going to add some more popsicle sticks to help reinforce our frame. I'm using the large popsicle sticks. And here's how the frame looks with everything attached. And now we're just going to add these gems to our design. I'll be adding it to the corners and some to the center with the hot glue going all the way around. And now I'm adding some more gems to the center of our design. Or the middle of our design. And now we're going to add some more of our sparkly gems to our design. Choosing material things over you. Come here, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. Now it's time to add our love sign to our design. And as you can see, I added back the 2 mirrors. That's why I told you don't take the tabs out of the 2 of the frames. So we're just going to use the hot glue and add our signs to our design. And here's our finished look, everyone. Our farmhouse style mirror, window mirror decor with a touch of glam. You know, I have to add my glam to it. I think it looks very nice. I love these friends and love sign that you get from the Dollar Tree because they're mirror. And anything with a mirror gives it a nice effect. I think it looks very nice. And the love sign, you guys, these love sign and friend sign, I had to go back in and use the E6000 because they will not stick with the hot glue. It sticks, but the minute you touch it, they come back off. And here it is standing up. I think it looks very nice. I'm loving the farmhouse look for the spring, and this makes a lovely spring decor. But you know, although it's farmhouse style, I have to add my touch of glam because I just love sparkles. And I am loving the farmhouse decor for this 2019 spring. Yeah, I think I am. I am really liking it. And here it is up on the wall. Doesn't it look nice? I think it looks super cute. It makes a lovely spring decor for your home. And you can have it on the wall or you can have it up on a mantle. Fireplace mantle is very nice. Or any kind of shelf that you have along your wall, you can place it on it too. I think it will look super cute hanging up just like that. And you can use command strips to hang these up, you guys. Just place the command strips along the popsicle sticks and then you hang it up on the wall. It's super fast and easy. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of my farmhouse style with a touch of glam mirror wall decor. Yeah. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And give me a thumbs up. Press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Petal is Blessed. Alright, everyone. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye.
I just need you back. Apartment 416, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it.